Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. In today's video, we are going to learn how to create hyperlink in Excel. It is actually very useful when the work is such that you will have to navigate among many web pages or navigate to different tabs very frequently. In those situations, hyperlink is a lifesaver. So without much delay, let's jump in and learn how to create hyperlink. In this video, we are going to see three specific examples. The first is creating a hyperlink for a web page. We are going to take Facebook page as an example here. Secondly, we are going to navigate to a different tab or worksheet. And the third is we are going to navigate to a specific folder. So let's create a hyperlink for a web page first. Just click on this B3 cell. Go to insert, click on link. You can also press Ctrl K, which is the shortcut key to insert a hyperlink. Click on existing file or web page since this is a web page and click browsed pages. In the text to display, just write Facebook and in address paste the Facebook link, that is www.facebook.com. Hit OK. Now Facebook link is appearing here. If I click this, it will directly take me to Facebook page. Next, let us create a hyperlink for a different tab in the same workbook. Which is that tab? It is customer details tab. Type customer details here. Press Ctrl K, which is a shortcut. So it has already taken the name customer details. If not, you can specify the name here. And now go to link to section. Since this page is available in the current worksheet, let us select the second option, place in this document. Once I click that, I can see what and all tabs are available in this workbook, right? So links is the first tab, customer details is the second tab. So let us select customer details, hit OK. Now customer details hyperlink is created. If I click this hyperlink, it will take me to the customer details tab. So when you have many worksheets or tabs in the same file or workbook, this feature is very helpful. Third is let's create a hyperlink to new folder. Again the same way, hit Ctrl K. Now I will again click on existing file or web page. I'll select current folder and then I'll come here and select the exact folder name. I have saved a sample new folder in desktop, so I'm just selecting that one. Hit OK. Now the hyperlink for the folder is created. If I click on that, it will take me to desktop new folder. So in this way, the hyperlink feature can reduce your effort in navigation. Hope you enjoyed today's video and learned how to create hyperlink. If you like the content of the video, hit the like button, share the video and subscribe to my channel. Until my next video, happy learning.